Hello again. One of the things I have done recently has been replace this horrible scrappy fence panel that I inherited when I bought the house. It wasn't an easy panel to replace because of the gutter above it that prevented me from dropping a fence panel into it. So I had to think about what I could do, what I could actually get into the panel, into the space, and I decided to salvage some of my decking from the back of the garden. A lot of it's rotten and I never use it. It all needs to be removed at some point, but it's not all rotten, and I managed to pull it up with my crowbar and managed to get sufficient to make a fence panel. That's my messy garden. I'll have enough to do maybe another fence panel if I want to, and those are the parts that I cut down to fit into the slots of the fence posts, the concrete posts. I gave it a good brush over with a wire brush and scraped off all of the dirt from the sides as well, and just give it a quick wash with some watered down garden paint. I started off putting a few panels in, a few decking boards in, and once I got a couple in, I then screwed some baton to the back of it. That helped to stabilise it because the decking was not as thick as the gap in as big as the slot. This is the next door neighbour's dog, very affectionate. I made sure that the first decking boards were level. And this is pretty much finished. I still have to put a couple more decking boards at the top. This is the neighbour's side. I think they got the best side actually. I put some bricks at the bottom, and that lifted up the gravel board so that was level, and then all of the decking boards were level after that, obviously. I put two screws in top and bottom of each board to prevent bowing. I think it looks really good. The dog is not happy because he can no longer talk to Diddy or Pickle, my two dogs, through the gate, through the fence, which he used to be able to do. And that's our side. I don't think that's as pretty, but I am happy with it. It didn't cost anything apart from I had to buy a bit of baton and some screws and a little bit of paint. Again, didn't cost very much, just took some time. Anyway, it's worked out really well for me because I needed a backdrop for my the items that I sell on my online vintage and second-hand shop and antique shop called Fab Things. So I'm really getting a lot of use out of it. Please subscribe to my channel because I often make things using recycled materials. Bye!